Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna and I'm a little bit spooky, and today we're going to be talking about the Jane Iredale eyeshadow sticks that just came out. These are the ColorLuxe eyeshadow sticks, and yeah, I got 5 shades, so we're going to dive on in, play with them, and talk about all the claims. So yeah, if that interests you, just go ahead and keep on watching, but before you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know down below some more makeup you would like to see tested out and some looks you might want to see with these shadow sticks, and thoughts and opinions. Drop them in the comments. Let's go ahead and get into the makeup. All right, let's talk about these claims before we dive in. Jane Iredale sent me 5 shades of the new ColorLuxe eyeshadows, and these are beautiful eyeshadow crayons. Absolutely beautiful shades. Really pretty all around color story. Of the 10 shades that are available, they are quite nice. But yeah, these are some perfect coordinating shades they sent over that are chef's kiss, just gorgeous, and my kind of colors that I would have picked. So these retail for $28. Available in 10 shades, 5 matte and 5 pearl. This is a versatile cream to powder eyeshadow stick that shades, highlights, and defines eyes with ease and limitless looks. A rich multi-use cream to powder formulation, highly buildable color, glides on smooth and adheres for long wear without tugging or smudging. Sets to a velvety soft powder finish that blends effortlessly with fingers. Skin-loving ingredients support the skin's hydration and glide. These are formulated with ceramides, vitamin C, and jojoba oil. Here are the 5 shades that I have. We have Moonstone, Rosé, Bronze, Dove Gray, and Americano. 2 mattes and 3 pearls. Very pretty. Very nice shades. So let's start with Moonstone. I'm going to put that on the inner corner of the eye. It looks like this. And you do have a sharpener on the other end. This does pop off and you can sharpen them up. I've gotten really dark shadow sticks, so I'm pretty excited about these. That's really pretty. It's already like pretty. That's a really nice glow to it and very smooth looking. Very nice. Okay. Let's take a little bit of Rosé and build that on next. A little bit right here. I'm gonna try to use as many of these as I can today. That's a pretty color. Just use my finger, blend it out. Easy peasy, and then build. Very nice. Alright, I'm gonna take some of bronze. I like this bronze shade because it's a very cool tone bronze. It's unique. It's a bit different than your typical bronze. We'll bring that right out here. Now these are definitely great for like one and done or looks, or maybe just 2 of them. I'm just throwing all 5 on today just to do it. You definitely can just get away with like 1 or 2 and have a really pretty look. These do feel like powdery when you start to blend them. They definitely have a velvety feel to them. Very nice texture. And then just come blending that over into Rosé. Very easy to work with. Oh my goodness. Yep. Super easy to blend. I'm not the best with my finger. I'm gonna use a little brush. Just to smooth that out on the edge. You definitely can use your finger. I'm not coordinated with that. All right, let's take some Dove Gray and bring that through the socket. It does seem like you get a little bit of playtime with these also, which is quite nice. Look at how blendable that is. A little fluffy brush. That is diffusing really easily. I like this shade a lot. It's like a truly like a dove gray. Have you ever seen one of those kind of grayish brown doves? It's dead on. There was 2 of them around my house the other day. I was like, oh, Duffs. I hardly ever see those around my yard. I was so excited. They were so sweet. That is blending like a dream. Wow. Very impressive. That's quite impressive blending for a cream shadow stick. Zero tug. This is going to be fantastic for mature lids. All right, I'm going to put a little more bronze in. I think on this outer corner. More rosé. The middle. And moonstone. Alright, I'm going to take some Americano and put that on the very outer corner and into the lash line a bit. I'm going to do what Emily Noel calls lazy liner. You're just going to rub that into the lash line. Put just a little bit right out here. And then diffuse it. Nice. Very nice. Okay, lower lash line. I'm gonna take some Dove Gray. Soften that out. I'm gonna do a little bit of Americano in the outer corner. Okay, and let's take a little bit of rosé. There we go. Very nice. Very nice, soft, pretty look. Very pretty. Very easy to use. Kind of ethereal shades. Perfect for pairing up with eyeshadows or wearing on their own. Use them as bases. As I'm into cream shadow sticks for that in particular, definitely using them as like a base for a look and using them to build with. And they do appear to be setting down to like a powdery finish. Wow, they do feel like velvet. Like very locked in and on. Cool. Very cool. I'm gonna throw some mascara on and some lipstick and we'll be good to go. And for lipstick, I actually pulled out a Jane Iredale lipstick that I've had for a little while that I love and just never reach for. I forget it exists, but it's such a beautiful, beautiful lipstick. This is the shade Molly. It's one of her lipsticks. Anyways, they have the really nice magnetic closure, really luxe. This is a pretty peachy shade. And I'm gonna blend this in with a little bit of lip liner. All right, and let's see. We'll top that with a bit of gloss. Okay, I think this is our look all finished with the new Jane Iredale ColorLuxe sticks. Oh, I think they're beautiful. Perform like a dream. They are very blendable, very easy to work with. You could definitely just use your finger or a brush, whatever you want to do. And yeah, the ease application is definitely there. They definitely go down to a nice powdery finish. There's no creasing or anything. If I was going to crease, it was going to start soon. I do have creasy lids. And yeah, I think this looks great. It's beautiful. They're soft, they're pretty, but they're still buildable. Very, very much friendly for mature lids for sure. They're not going to emphasize texture. They're going to be really easy to work with and blend out and all of that. And yeah, very nice products from Jane Iredale. Right, and that's all for today. Thank you for hanging out with me and creating this look. And let me know down below if you want to see some more dramatic looks with these shades. I would definitely be down to do that. I just wanted to kind of give you a quick overview and just show you what they all look like and talk a little bit about the products. So anyway, let me know your thoughts down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe and stay spooky. Bye now.